Yep, it was okay.
Yeah. Anybody else have a win in New York today?
I think a lot of people won, from what I saw.
Good, good.
Slept through it today. Basically, I woke up when I should have woken up, and I wanted sells based on the 4 hour, but like the smaller time frames were telling me buys. So I just wanted to wait, but it just kept going higher and higher. So
Yeah, that's what I was sort of looking at, to be fair. I thought we are going to come and retest that low.
but then the sell did happen, but like on the even on the 15 minute, the stop loss would have been for me would have been like 15 pips, so I didn't really like it.
Yeah.
For that monster move down.
Yo.
Yep. Yep. What's going on, everyone?
Hey Paul, did you catch any sells yesterday after we were done with the session?
No, I sat there for about 15 minutes after I ended the stream, and then I just decided to just call it a night.
Nice.
Yeah. Did you end up catching them?
I did actually. While we were on the stream, there
Nice.
was a wick that I was waiting for. I think you were probably waiting for the same one, and so I just placed my stop loss right below that, and it hit exactly my TP. I can send you my chart analysis afterwards. I also posted it on my Instagram page.
Nice. Yeah, do that. I'll pull that up.
Yeah, let me send it over to you.
Okay. Shh.
Kill you.
I made more rice.
You made more rice?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Hello, hello. Whoever was talking last night, that was Gerjot, my right hand man. Biases sells until otherwise is what I'm looking at. I'll make this a little bigger. It's probably a little difficult to see. We'll go 20. Yeah, we'll do that.
I think we can get a nice entry on the 30-minute.
Once you break below?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because then it's clean to the left here.
Yep, that's what I'm looking at.
And then the previous 4 hours is bearish too.
Yeah, I'm thinking a new 30-minute low. The zones. So first thing, we came to the 2 hour. 2 hours bearish with nice room to run down. You could say this is kind of like a little fake out above here, but we couldn't get higher up here, so I think we're going to be coming down for the session. So then I went to the hourly, and I saw this here. So this looks like a little break, kind of a retest on this area here, to then further bring us down to this 2 hour support. 30-minute has this little last bit of resistance here, and then we can see a nice move down. Yeah, hopefully we won't crash tonight. Mm-hmm. What up, White? No, if we break below this bullish 30 minute, I might get in a sell.
The daily has a massive bottom wick. So if we do get in the sell, look for a wick fill. If it continues up, it's going to be like a rejection wick.
Yeah, I think we're gonna pull towards this wick here.
If you pull up, you look at that like as a rejection wick, right?
On the daily?
Yeah, like obviously I mean like in by New York, if you pull up and we notice that it didn't fill, it'll be like a rejection wick, right?
No, I just look at it as bearish.
Got it.
Yep. NY session was good.
So how comes the other one in? Just put them both in there for the same time, bro. Yo.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Yep.
Here, I'm gonna post my analysis for today for Asian. Check it out.
You bullish or bearish?
Bearish. So basically, like if you look on the 4 hour, even on the 1 hour, you can see that structure is still bearish.
Mm-hmm.
One, I believe it was highest it got to like almost 140, right? 139, and then it started making lower lows and lower highs, right? So since Monday, it kept pulling up, giving you this clean pullbacks and clean moves to the downside. So I'm expecting it for it to go ahead and create a lower low and surpass this 136,300 area, which is a very special key zone.
Mm-hmm.
And so far, as soon as we break out of that range, before say before 8, like around 750, Asian should give it a push and it continue down. That's my bias for now.
Yep. Yeah, I'd like to see us get under this and then into here.
That's yeah. Like I got that level to 135, 300,
Yep.
and 135, 500. 136, I mean 500. For today, I don't want to go all the way down to past 136, 300. As long as I get like 20, 15 pips, I'll be good. But say I'm gonna wait until we break out of that range and see what happens. Been consolidating since London closed. So hopefully, we get a nice breakout.
Mm-hmm.
And the target after 136 200 will be for me 135 500, which is what I have marked down here. If we go on the 1 hour.
Yep. Yeah, I got 135, 370.
Yeah, around there.
Yep.
Yeah, right. So it would be around 135 500 would be more key, since though JJ likes to hit those even numbers, 500, 200, 700, things like that. So if you go on the 1 hour, you can see a nice break and retest on the one.
Yep, right here. Yep.
Around June 2nd. On June 2nd.
Right up here.
June 2nd. No, that's June 3rd, bro. June 2nd, right there. To the right? Right, here. Bro, retest it down here, continue it up.
Yep.
I don't know why what it is. Kind of
That level held pretty well all the way through.
What's good, people?
It's a pretty
No,
strong
bro, I
level.
said 135, 500. You're looking at 136. 135, 500. That's like if we go past 136. Alright, go to the left on 135, 500. Right there, you see?
Yep.
Let's break, retest the downside, and then continue up. Yeah. So that's another key area. Oh, you have it marked?
Yep.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Yep. That would be. I don't think Asian's gonna push that hard, but
No. I'm saying
know.
that all I want is a push down to here. You know,
Yeah.
that would be optimal. That would be my runner. But other than that, I plan on closing a run here, which is 136, 800. We have marked. That's what? How many push would that be? Around 30 push.
yeah, it's. I mean, from that zone to there, it's about 62.
No. From where price is to here.
Oh.
And then the runner will be down to here, which is 60, like 30, right? Yeah, 30.
Yeah, that's still like 30 pips there too.
Does this zone over here have any concern for you guys? Or you think we can just blow past it?
Hola, Ale.
It could.
No, hasta ahora no lo pude abrir. No
Oh,
sé por
sorry.
qué te dice la división es válida.
I think if we like pull back that far on the daily, or push down that far on the daily, I think we'll just come down for the wick though.
True. But most of us are probably gonna be securing some profits and it'll be break even and runners running by then.
Yep.
Yeah. Us scalpers.
Yep. You know, it'd be almost even better now. This hourly looks like it's gonna close bullish. If the next hourly breaks it, that'd be even stronger confirmation than like a 30-minute or 15-minute.
Yeah, it's got about 15 more minutes. It could flip in the next 15 minutes. I don't think it will though.
No, I'm saying if it closes bullish and the next one breaks it.
Yeah, that'd be good because there's no bottom wick, and so that'd be like, okay, there's lots of bullish momentum. There's no bottom wick, but then why would we create a next lower low and lower high on the 1 hour if there's no selling pressure? You know, okay, there is selling pressure if we make a new 1 hour lower low and lower high.
Fed reacts off of this zone.
That's what I'm waiting on.
Still got time for it to make a bottom wick.
Oh yeah, we got plenty of time.
My MT4 has like a tiny bottom wick.
Yeah, me too works.
Watch the drop happen again right when Asian Open happens. Like the past
3 weeks.
Yeah. I'm staying patient today. I'm not getting an any early trade.
Yeah, I agree with what you're saying, because every time recently it's been pushing up bullish, maybe like to grab liquidity to come down.
Yeah,
I think today we've just kind of set up at the low, so we're just maybe gonna look like we're gonna range, and then Asian will break us out to the downside.
Right. I mean, we're still ranging between 137 300 and 137 flat. So
Exactly.
if we break below 137 flat, then that's for sure sells down to a 136 300 will be safe sells. If you want to close, in the middle, will be 30 pips. If you want to leave a run, it will be 60 pips. But for
Yeah,
sure,
I think you could take some off at 700.
Yeah, right, like around 700, right, with that with
Yes.
that drop happened after during New York.
Yeah.
I grabbed that drop, on 137 flat down to 136 700. And if we break above, which I highly doubt, I mean, look, I'll send you my chart again so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. It's on the chat. Let me send it.
Caught that move as well, from 137 down there.
Right.
700. It was a nice trade.
What we're doing right now is just making lower highs and lower lows. And last time, right now we just make lower high. So on a high time frame, it would be safe to say that the next move would be the downside to create another lower low and basically break the lower low and continue down. But then again, we need some liquidity to continue up, so we might go ahead and break the maybe wick above the range and then continue down. But 137 is like a really strong zone, so it's just to wait for the break and break up the range and see what happens.
Yeah, I totally agree with what you're saying.
Yeah, it's gonna be a waiting game, but definitely once you see like a live consolidation on the 15 on the 30-minute, definitely we're gonna have a nice push afterwards. So just be ready for that. Mostly, I'll be looking around 7:30, 45 minutes, to see where it's going. Maybe we're gonna, like you said, push up. I think there's no early any wick on the daily. Actually, yeah, I got a wick on the daily, but nothing to the downside. So yeah, we might get a wick up, a little higher wick, and continue down.
EJ's doing a lot of sideways stuff lately. Alright, so if I was looking at EJ 2 hour, throw this here. $4 yeah, we might see a wick up and then finish coming back down, but ideally staying under here would be much better. Hourly, yeah, we should stay under this. Resistance look like we're kind of coming back up to this area, so I would wait to see how we kind of move around here and then see what happens around this area. And I think target wise could look something right there. Maybe have a runner fall down to support down here. 30-minute. Yeah. It should stay under here if it's going to come down. I think once you get a bearish candle forming some sort of resistance, you'll have a better chance to come down there.
Yeah, I agree with that. So let's just wait. With the 15 and 30-minute range.
Yeah.
I don't even want to set up buy stops or sell stops.
I think it's like at those.
I don't want to set up any buy stops or sell stops, and so most likely, like we were saying, we're gonna either push up, get some liquidity, continue down, create that lower low, or if we break above the range and create a bigger daily wick and then continue down with Asian open, then
Yeah.
just be patient for now.
Like this current hourly candle hasn't done anything at all. It's only moved like 11 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is definitely not a pull up again my chart here. Give me 1 second, Paul. This thing, so I can show you guys something.
One of these people way out there that are golfing all free.
It looks very super blurry. I don't know why. But then again, you see this zone here. This is basically like whatever you don't want to be trading in.
Yep.
So, but like a 20, not even 15 pip zone. So either we wait up off with a, let's say like a 30-minute candle, bullish, closing above this with wick on the top for range, then yes, I would definitely go for buys. But if we keep breaking down like this and we keep on making lower lows and lower highs and keep on going with the high the higher time frame structure, and this lower low should be respected, definitely should be hit. And if you guys want to continue and keep it running or so, then definitely I'll keep it running if we break this zone here, because the next I think the next zone that I have marked, it's 135, 300, 370, and that will basically be the next lower low. So
Yep. What up, Simon? Oh, yeah, no, my bias from here, we had a bullish 2 hour, heavy support, clean traffic, price went up. It's all on the Instagram story. I walked through the whole thing. IG is on the bottom left. Yep. In big letters, can't miss it. I've tried Fibonacci, not my thing. Mm-hmm. Yep, yeah, send the chart, I'll pull it up.
Notifications.
Chart did not work, Moy. Sent the wrong link. Nope, no indices, just mostly GJ, sometimes EJ. And that's pretty much it for me. Diego. Beautiful. Yeah, momentum should break through there as well. Yep. Yep, I mean, you could say counter trend trading, but it kind of depends what you're looking at. So for me, I saw this candle, and I saw all this. It made sense to at least get back up to here on the hourly and the 2 hour to at least do a little retest. And as soon as I entered, straight for the retest, came back down, and then we pulled back up. So For me, my trend was from here to here, and price was bullish, so I traded with the direction I trade with. If we zoom out and we look at all this information, that definitely looks more bearish than bullish, but if we're looking at this information right here, price looks like it's going to go up. So it's all about preference and perspective. So now we pulled back up to this area here too.
That's pretty bullish 1 hour close.
Yeah, I don't know if I don't believe it. I feel like it's lying.
Yeah, it probably won't happen, but if this 30-minute happens to close back below the 30-minute resistance, it's going to look better for sells, but so far buys are the option now.
Even if it does close above, we still have this area to get past,
Yeah, that's
which
true.
is almost with this zone. Yeah, like we closed below this, but we still haven't broken anything up here.
Yeah, typically it does an hourly fake out, so this would be our hourly bullish fake out. Next one should be bearish, and then we go down.
It did it like 10 times. I'm just like, I'm just gonna sell now because I know it's gonna happen again.
Just sell it, no stop loss.
Yeah, man, like it's good. Like I'm calling, it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's at a pretty strong 4-hour resistance. So.
Could be, Crest. Could be. If the price pushes up, then it's pushing up, so. Just a waiting game for now.
I'm gonna look for buys once I break the previous 4-hour high only.
Yep, yeah, that's where I'm gonna keep my line there up top.
Because if you go on, yeah, like the other gentleman was saying, if you go on the 4 hours, right at a nice resistance now.
Like, guys, this thing's still in a range. Like,
Mac, I didn't say I'm getting in a trade, boy.
say what?
I didn't say I'm getting in a trade.
Oh, no, I'm saying just wait, chill, relax. You're like 30 minutes.
Yeah, I agree though. Just chill.
Monthly has no bottom wick, and the weekly is at a really strong resistance too.
You can't really be looking at the monthly, but we're like on the second week of the month. Like, it doesn't really make any sense to look at the monthly.
No, what I'm saying is the month just started and it has no bottom wick. That's what I'm saying. If this was like the last week of the month and it had no bottom wick, then there's less of a chance for it to make.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well, we're at a yearly resistance right now. In the past 8 years, we couldn't break above, so I don't think we're going
got a
to.
decade on support.
Yep.
So, you know, in the next 10 years, so I have a sell stop.
Yep, I got you, Felipe. See if it works.
You know, it'd be the best case scenarios if this hourly breaks a previous hourly low, and we don't.
Yeah, I like that entry.
Because like I was gonna say, Mac was saying that hourly it didn't go anywhere, it's still chilling.
I like this. Chart looks good.
Both 10 pips, but
Kind of the same thing we're looking for.
raging,
What?
I don't know. We put raging zone. Rage. Yeah, the ranging. It's definitely ranging, so I wouldn't even get it in any trades for now.
Concerned for this zone? No, that's too far away. I mean, it's kind of the same area right here. So maybe if you use this area here, you could I'd say something in this area might give price a reaction if it comes up. Or I really don't like buys until we're above this area here to then get up to here. But I mean, if price pushes up, comes down, then I'll take that. But not really a fan of any of this right here. So for the Paul interview. Yep, should be Sunday. 5-second resistance, yeah. Alright, Ronald, pull up your chart. Felipe, I just pulled up your chart. It's literally on the screen right here. Yep, exactly. Exactly. I believe I did this with my little arrows yesterday as well, so I am right on board with you there. Now that we made this lower low at this big daily support, we should break this low and then come back up and retest it as well.
Oh, could you zoom over for a second on the 30-minute?
Like this?
Just like a bit further, like how the other chart was set up, the one that someone said. I was gonna say one thing that to also look at is every single time you like have like a major dump, we have some sort of consolidation afterwards. So we had a major dump, we're gonna have some sort of consolidation afterwards, and we're gonna have a major dump, some sort of consolidation afterwards.
Yep, same thing right here.
Yeah, it's always some sort of
consolidation, push up. Yep, 100%. Yep, no problem, Ronald. This 30-minute breaks that previous low? I don't know. What's our stop loss? 13. Hi, Frankie. Yep, pretty much same thing. Everyone's got the same GJ idea, it seems. I'm thinking I will be selling at some point. Yes. With raging. Yep, no worries.
Hey Paul, I have a question. How do you draw over the New York session, like the Asian session? How do you overlay that indicator?
Just go to the indicator and then do it'll be session time zones or custom session time zones. And then you click that and that should bring it up. And then you just place in your in the settings whatever time you're looking at the chart.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Exactly, Jimmy nailed it on the head. Exactly. You can send the trades right here. Oh, I kind of like this break of this 30 here.
Yeah, sales are going to be nice if we can get below support. I mean, this is like is it like the third Asian session in a row where it's pushed up, formed a bearish candle before open, and then push further down.
Yep.
Yeah, the third one in a row happened on yeah.
Yo, Hass, what's good, man?
Yo.
We saying, D-boy?
I'm good, my brother. What you saying, Paul?
Yo, yo.
Yo. Hey, girl, just see you hiding in there, man. Yeah? We say we're gonna get them pips today, boys?
Uh-huh.
Huh? We're gonna get that money, man. But I'm dealing with a 0.01 lot.
I haven't decided if I want to get in once we break this low here.
Definitely bearish though, right?
What?
Definitely bearish today, right?
Oh yeah.
Yo, Paul, you need to go and have a look at the Go have a look at what I got yesterday, bro.
I saw it.
Ah, crazy. I held that shit till the morning. Excuse my language, YouTube, sir.
I don't think YouTube accepts apologies.
We'll see what they type underneath. I apologize sincerely, YouTube.
Paul, EJ done like a double, well, is maybe potentially going to do a double fake out to the downside and then now to the upside. If this 30-minute closes below, they would have done a double. EJ's playing around tonight.
Well, it deserves to because yesterday, GJ was playing around in the daytime, man. No, day before. No, last night as well.
Yo, Shama, did you want me to post your chart, or do you just is that just for me?
Right.
Hey, make up your mind.
No, I'm saying daytime into before night.
Oh yeah.
Playing around, bro.
Oh yeah, in the daytime, yeah.
Yeah, man, they doing crazy stuff, man.
Shama, can I pull up your chart? Or do you want me? Is that just for me?
Oh my god, if we break below 137, let's say 100, or even 137 flat.
No, Paul, Shama said go for it, man.
What's up? What'd you say?
Shama said go for it.
No, not you. I'll go for it.
Yeah,
Okay.
go for it.
Yep. Gotcha. Style pound wick and 30-minute break. Yep, exactly. Beautiful.
Was that B sharp?
Yeah, I think if this closes bearish, I like selling this bearish 30-minute here with the anticipation of continuing down.
Wow, yeah. I mean, it would be like a very aggressive entry if you take it in the range, but yeah, it work.
Yeah, I mean, hourly doesn't look as bad though. Hourly looks like a break, a retest, and continue down.
So they created a lower high and then lower low and then lower high and then continuing down.
Yeah, it would be definitely riskier than waiting for support, but the hourly looks
Yeah,
nice, so I would trust the hourly too.
It closes below 137, you know. But I mean, you can take it in the range and expect for it to break and continue down with the 8 PM push.
Yeah, I'm waiting on the 30-minute close.
If the next 15-minute closes, I could actually take a small entry and set up like a very tight stop loss and you know just trade it down once it breaks 137. But I really don't like taking trades in the range.
Yeah, I think so, JB. It's doing what I wanted it to do.
So I'm actually gonna do a little small position now on a sell.
I thought you were waiting for the range, bro. Did I convince you?
No, I'm waiting for this little pullback on the 15s to see how high it goes. Like it's going up right now, and once it starts rejecting, creating a wick, I'll most likely set up a small position. That would be a let me see, probably like a 6 pip, 7 pip stop loss.
What low are you talking about? You're talking about the Mac, are you talking about the 15-minute low? Right there?
Right on the 15-minute, like what?
You
know how it's pulling up and creating a top wick?
Yeah.
If it keeps pulling up, then I'll probably take a 20 entry on a sell. It's just gonna have like a 6 pip stop loss. But it's gonna be like a very small position. and then just trailer it down, to like a trail stop. Once it starts breaking below 137 flat or 137 100, like I was doing right now.
Yeah, it's kind of falling down right now.
Got in around here, and I'm expecting it to just break with a clean break, and from range to the bottom, and the next one with the 8 a.m. push completely head down, since there's a lot of clean traffic on this side to the left. And that's gonna be my first TP. And then 136 will be for the runner, so around 60 pips.
Sorry, would the runner be like 50% or do you do like 20%?
No, I usually do the same amount. Like, you see how it's breaking? So now I'll see how it closes, and then I'll wait for the next pullback and take bigger entry.
Yeah, that's what I wanted right there.
I'm up already 6 pips, 7 pips.
Oh, we broke the hourly too? Shoot.
I'm tempted to get in, but I'll just be like selling the low here. I don't want to be caught in a pullback.
Yeah, I mean, you could just break down and keep pushing. That's why I got in on that. I got in at 137 or 120, 128, 137. So up already 8 pips.
You just said you didn't like the range, and then you get in.
Mac, what is this? You're lying to us.
I even drew it on the
Just
thing.
joking. I'm joking. Take anything I say.
Oh, I didn't go with a huge position. Oh shoot.
Yo, who's in, man? Aggressive entry. Who's in?
Me. Been in.
Yeah, I've been.
I got in at 137 to 130.
I'm about to get in soon. If we break those wicks to the left.
Don't worry, we're going, Hass, man. You can just get in, man. We're going.
No, I can't until we break those wicks. That'll be my confirm, and then I'll be looking at if it starts to pull back. I'll probably close. I'm expecting the next 8 minutes to just push through, but if not,
don't jump on that train too late, bro.
No, I think I'll be getting on the right time. For me,
I'm playing with you,
that's
man.
what I like.
I'm playing with you.
I know.
You know you gotta stick to your rules, man.
Yeah, man, 100%.
Stick to the plan. Always works out. And that's for everybody out there as well, man. Stick to your trading plan.
I just got on EJ. I just got a nice 1-to-1.
So yeah, it's pulling back right now.
Yeah, look like EJ done that double fake out.
It's like a good pullback, and then you could set up your entry. So have a smaller stop loss. But yeah, it looks like it's breaking below the range of 137 flat. If it closes, we got 8 minutes. If it closes below that, then we should be good.
That spread's only 1.5 right now.
Millard, and then don't want to start seeing rejection onto the top.
YouTube, bro.
Bet
And then you can see.
I'll bet on a second.
Give me five.
Excuse me. I use 15:30 and 1 hour time frame. They're all good.
Where?
No. No.
Yeah.
Holy cow! I think we hit the YouTube algo because we just jumped up like 200 people in a few seconds. Wow. I'll be back in a sec.
I'll just wait for this 15 minutes to close. So left the wick to the bottom and so that there's gonna be more range. I mean, if you wanted to, like an aggressive entry, it would be good to do it now. Like, then again, just wait for it to close.
Yeah, I wanna, for a second trade, I wanna see a nice like close below that area because we've got quite a bit of room to run.
Oh, we dropped down. Yeah, we keep jumping from 400 to 570. Huh. That was weird. Oh yeah, my Streamlabs says 566. YouTube says 401. Interesting. Oh, 559. Yeah, this thing's glitching out.
Alright, I'm gonna get into my position now.
I gotta mute our mics if we got background noise. Come on.
I'm waiting for this 30-minute to close and then entering at the break of the that.
Yeah, it's rejecting only 1 minute, so
This 30-minute entry can be nice.
if it hits my stop loss, then I'll just break even and try to re-enter it, and I'll be okay.
So the sell's under here. Boom, boom. The people talking are either D-Boy, Macedonian, Dorian, or Gerjat.
This candle needs to close below that support.
Not necessarily, since it left the bottom wick, what's leaving a bottom wick usually means like there's gonna be more range since it's pushing down.
Yeah, no, yeah,
Yeah,
no,
we
you're
still
right.
30 minutes for Asian Open, so we shouldn't worry about that push. But if it goes back in the range, then yes, I will close all my positions. I got my first entry at 137, 128, and then the second one at 137 flat. So let's see how it works. Even on the 1 minute struggling to close above 137 flat, so yeah.
It's struggling to close above or below?
Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. It rejected again.
Nope, no entry for me. The new PC is phenomenal. I love it.
So now let's see how this 15-minute plays out. Oh, nice. Now you see the wick that I left on the 15.
Mm-hmm.
That's would be a potential wick fill, and then continuing down. If this 15-minute closes, completely below 137 flat, which is my zone, I think we should be good. I got something like this. Hopefully it works. Sketchy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if it breaks here, it's gonna be gone. It's a iBuy Power PC, i7 Intel, 30 forgot what else it has. So.
Almost got stuffed out. Come on.
It's a Intel Core i7-9700F, 16 gigabyte memory, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Super, and then a terabyte HDD plus 480 solid state drive. Yep, the big push will probably come at open. I'm hoping this 30-minute doesn't break below that previous before open. Yeah, it's a really nice PC.
Yeah, I'm closing. Whoop. Should have waited.
Nope, no trades yet.
Yeah, goat shit.
I think above if your stop's above this bearish one, you should be good, but you gotta sit through it until it moves.
I mean, my bias still sells, but
Oh yeah.
that goes back in the range.
Mm-hmm.
I definitely wait until 8 p.m. Because if 8 p.m. hits and it breaks again below that previous 30-minute, then definitely will definitely hit downtown.
Jeez. Coming down. If you don't use TradingView, you probably cannot send a chart. Got 83 people in Zoom today. Wow. I'm going to be maxing this thing out soon. Oh, no, it's not. It's not the finger curls. It's the gaming keyboard. It's got the springs under the keys are some sort of special springs that just make it really loud, but very responsive. That, yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I think that's what it is. That's what my buddy told me it was. Yeah, I'm just a waiting game right now. Yeah, that's crazy. You know what the keys were called, though. No. I disagree, Jeff, but if it goes up, then you are right.
I'm taking an entry once it breaks this 15-minute low.
Down here?
No, like if this current run closes like a bullish, weak bullish.
Oh, you're going to take it there?
Yeah. Because they broke the high, and if it was going to continue going up, the next one should break the high also and continue going up. If it's respecting this.
Like a booby trap candle.
Pardon me?
That this current 15 minute looks like a booby trap candle. Like it grabbed liquidity to go off and then try to continue down.
Yeah, I think it is going to continue. That's why I hope it closes like this. We have 5 minutes left. Then get an entry once it breaks it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for the entry. Not out color.
The waiting continues. Appreciate it, Shade. I like it this way. Nice and clean. I didn't block you. You're just not sending anything valuable to the chat, so hopefully now you had a nice 300 seconds to think, and you can send some analysis and not just signals or ideas that have no support of any context whatsoever. That's all, buddy. Everyone's here to learn, so maybe you'll send a chart and someone will be like, oh, that makes sense. Or maybe I'll be like, oh, I like that. But if you just say, hey, do this, I'm going to probably just ignore you. So, that's all.
You're a meanie, Paul.
No, just honest.
Nah, man, it makes sense. He ain't a meanie.
I mean, I'm not live streaming to take trades that people call in the chat. It's,
You have to re-enter right now, giving it a second chance. But there is news in 7 minutes. I re-entered at a 137 flat again. I'm already up 6 pips, so let's see. Now it's breaking the low of the previous 15, so it should be good.
I got in.
The news is just gonna open up the spreads, and it's not gonna take me out and whiplash and bring it all the way back up again. But for now, from my point of view, I think it's just gonna melt down.
yeah, I can end the break of the 30.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, but I couldn't. Yeah, I got in at the break, but I'm looking to add more positions once the next 15 minutes starts up and creates a top hook.
Yeah, now it's heading back up. So I mean, remember there's news in 5 minutes, so I probably wait for that and then see if I can enter.
It's low impact news, no?
And it's JPY news, it's PPI, so it's not that important, but it could move a little or widen up your spread. So have a little wide stop loss just in case.
Yeah.
Once PPI happens, I could re-enter and add my second position.
I'm waiting to add a position here once it breaks.
In 5 minutes. I don't think it's gonna be that much. So I'm actually gonna re-enter, risk it, and set up a really tight stop loss. Will be my second entry right now.
You're in already, or are you waiting for the break?
So I got in a 137 flat and a 137.07 and then a 137.02.
Got it.
See, hopefully the news doesn't do that much, and it's just gonna. Hopefully, it pushes down and it breaks that range. Let's see.
Yeah. And then volume's gonna come and I hope pushes and doesn't do a nasty pullback.
Yeah.
Yep. Hello.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna launch down.
Yeah, the last issue we're gonna need to get past is gonna be this little thing here. I think once we get past here, we'll fall down pretty nicely.
Fall down nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that last 15 minutes was definitely a booby trap candle. Just went up. Took out probably sellers and started taking down. It's a lot of clean traffic down to 136,700.
Yeah, this one's got to get a new low, and then we should be good. But coming into open, typically it doesn't throw a ton of volume before open.
Yep.
Yeah, Asian Open should take it down.
Ooh. Shoot. But I don't like the Asian. No. Doing this thing again.
Yeah, it's gonna dance for 10 minutes, so hopefully it doesn't get too high. Yeah, this is a little early, but once we got below this 30-minute, I was content to throw something in.
Alright, 750, nothing the news? No. 750 already. It was PPI for JPY. Let me see the numbers. Oh, they're loading still. Actually, if you get negative numbers, then that would be how do you call it? It would be good. I think it's good for the JPY, meaning bad for the pound. Should continue down. Now I just created a top the 15, and I definitely think it's gonna continue down. I'm pretty sure it's gonna continue down.
I'm pretty sure that news is bad for JPY. It's worse than what was expected. It's bad for JPY for sure.
Well, if it's bad for JPY, then DJ should go up, you know. And actually, the numbers came out bad, but it's not. PPI shouldn't be that important. Like it's not a big thing. It's a yellow filter, and it's like maybe like a 2-star on investing.com, and basically it didn't do anything, you know. If it would have been like a very important thing, then it would have spiked up down. You know?
I agree 100%. Yeah.
If it was a negative number, meaning that it would strengthen the yen, then it would have spiked down. If it was positive, then it would have spiked up. You know? But it didn't do anything.
As long as we close bearish on this 30-minute, that would be very nice. Yeah, I think this thing, if we come down, will fall down to either here or here. I'm going to secure somewhere down here in either these wicks or this support if we come down. But since I'm in sells, I'm anticipating us to continue down as we have a new lower low and lower high on the 30-minute. So I'd expect open to finish pushing us down.
The structure looks pretty bearish right now. Like the market structure kind of came up to that resistance, pulled back, and then pulled back up to the resistance, and then rejected it for the volume push for the open.
Yeah, ideally, that's what would make sense, but never know.
Yeah.
What happened to the stream? Open is in 6 minutes. 6:44 watching. Oh yeah, really? Really, YouTube? So I would just up your I mean, I'm looking at it in the 1080 by 60 and it looks perfect. So I would check on see what your quality is playing back in. Cuz it looks fine on my end. And I believe Streamlabs hopefully is still running. Yep, still running so far.
Yeah, now you gotta be careful with the Asian Open and see how it's gonna play out. This is the fucked up part about Asian. My bad about the language.
I think we're still, unless we start making some new highs in the 30-minute. Ideally, if this 30-minute can close underneath too, that would be even better. But if we don't close under volume, I would expect us to blast through. Because otherwise, it just, if the sells don't play out, I think it was the move. It just, if we were going to go up this, why did this happen here? You know what I mean? Because this pushed all the way up and it should have just continued to get above here or at least stay above here. So we'll see what happens. Setting was low. Yep, all good. I figured that's what it was. Yep, you know, I took the trade because I think that's where we're going, so. Let's see what 4 minutes brings.
Paul, do you think this could hit 136.500? I'm looking at the daily time frame, and I think that we could really feel that wick from yesterday's daily.
Yep, yeah, I think this is going to be kind of the support we fall to. 136.388.
I'm thinking of leaving a runner if the sell hits.
Might be a good idea. It could run and break that very bottom support down there. Two minutes. Uh-oh. Thinking if we close bearish, preferably under here, we should be okay. But we've seen open just take it the complete other direction, so who knows? I'm gonna keep my trade in. Stop loss where it is. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I think, based on structure, it should continue down, but you never know once. So
Yeah, that's true.
Pull back up. So
Mm-hmm.
suppose you got negative numbers in PPI. So
Yeah, but I mean, just because that's negative doesn't mean it's going to affect it right now. Price could fall, and then GJ will continue to rise through London and New York. And that would still mean GJ or JPY is weak and GJ is going up. So. Yep, song name is Home. Jordan Shore. Damn, JB, chill. It'll be our first moderator ban all week. Put you in timeout. Oh my god. Yeah, so hopefully we can close a little deeper. I mean, right here is good too, and then open will send us down. That would be nice. Hourly could wick up to here and then continue the drop if we're going down. Yep, gonna need to see a new low to come any further down. Yep, yeah. First 5 minutes always a little iffy.
I think if we make another lower low on GJ, I think we're just gonna come down. We'll
Yep.
make another low on 30-minute.
Yep. Yeah, it's super clean to the left too, so
Yeah.
it's hourly open, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in on GJ if it breaks the previous 30-minute low to stop above the current 30-minute right here.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna add a position if we do that as well.
If we break that low, theoretically we should dump.
Mhm.
This will be top wick for hourly and the stop loss for the trade.
Yep.
Come on, it's right there.
Little bit to go.
Oh, nice.
Didn't break it. Yeah, there we go. All right. Yeah, I threw another 0.75 in right here. Stop loss here. So.
Yeah, that should definitely continue down. So you guys are good. Alright, I'm out. See you guys later.
See ya. Yep. And I brought my stop loss down to here as well on these other positions too.
Yeah, that's good. Got a good stop loss.
Yeah.
Should be.
Hopefully we can keep moving down.
Yeah, I mean, 137 is super strong. If this 50-minute closes below that, then I think it should be more than good to go. Alright, I'm out.
Yep, see ya.
Yeah, bro.
Oh boy.
It was like 3 pips away from my entry before I started reversing right now.
Yeah, if it goes up, that's going to be a real FU kind of move as it broke the low into a free fall. So, yeah, that's not looking great. I don't know if it's trapping. I mean, it does the same thing every single session. It normally works out 95% of the time. So we'll see.
Yes. I'm just doing its dance right now.
Yeah, I don't know what's left to dance though. I mean, it broke everything, so technically it makes sense to come down.
Yeah, it does make sense to come down.
But it's gonna take us out. Look at that. And last one Did not get hit, but I'm just gonna close that. Yep, that was not fun. Yeah, there was nothing down there. Oh well, live to trade another day.
Oh well.
Yeah, I minimized that loss like crazy. Yeah, that looks super nice to come down on the hourly, but see how this 30-minute closes, I guess. Maybe even. Let's journal that one later. Yeah, that one looked good. Just did not work out.
If it breaks through the resistance, do you have any buy stop area that you're interested in?
No, I really don't like any of the targets for the buys, to be honest. Yeah.
I have a buy stop for 137.400.
Oh,
So
way
it's
up
right
there.
above, yeah, so it's
Yep.
right above the wick fill and the resistance break.
Yep. Yeah, if we can get up there, that'd be a nice move. I don't know if Asian will push us all the way up there, though. I mean, we tried to get up there in the beginning, and then we got pushed back down. So we'll see. Could have just been dancing for the first 15 minutes of the hour.
If you scroll up to like the 139 area, I feel like we're probably gonna end up doing something similar to that on the 1 hour. Like how it ranged up there for a little bit and then it dropped.
Up here?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see what happens once this closes. I think if we break this candle, we'll be coming down then. These first 15 of the hourly making that top wick. Just the break once it makes a new low. That's all I need to see. Step away for a second. Falling back there.
How long have you been trading for, Paul? If you don't mind me asking.
Yep. Coming up on 2 years, I think.
That's dope. That's dope.
Yeah. It's been a fun journey.
I think I don't know. I'm thinking about getting it one more shot if it breaks low, but I don't know.
Yeah, if it gets under here, I'll give it one more. Then that'll be it for me. Yeah, we got a lot of useless chatters in here today. I just like GJ. That's all. Moves nicely.
I'm not a big fan of the stop loss right now.
Yeah, no. Check 4 hour. Yep. 4 hour looks bearish, and maybe it's rejecting something down here. We will see. Yep, see tomorrow burns. Might give it one more shot down here if we get a good stop loss, but this is probably gonna be too big for me now. Yeah, it's getting close to like 15.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I closed myself.
Nice.
So just gonna see what happens in New York tomorrow. I just don't like the way it's pulled back this much. I don't really wanna. Oh, look at that! It's just pushing up now. Yeah, I don't want nothing to do with it. All right, well, cheers, Paul, mate.
Yep. See you later.
See you guys.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yep.
I was gonna say, can you go on the hourly right now? Because when I'm like, I didn't understand why we lost, right? And I was just trying to analyze it and see what was happening. So we looked this as a fake out to continue going down almost, right? Since it broke this previous 1 hour candle, right? But if we had the zones drawn up here at the highest highs, and then to the lowest lows, which would be right here.
No, they'd be right here.
Okay, yeah, even if it was slightly up, I have it undo right here. So even if it was slightly up, right? Oh, 1 second, I messed up. Let's look at this. Okay, pretend it was at the bodies, right?
Mm-hmm.
This technically still would be trading within the range, and this would be the true fake out to continue going up.
It could be, yeah.
Because like, I know we were looking at this zone, but if you look at the hourly and look at like the bodies up here and looked at that as the highest high, well, of the range, this would now make sense to why it's climbing back up if it was a fake out.
Yeah, I mean, if it doesn't break this 30-minute and it comes back, then I think we're still valid to continue down.
Yeah, it would only make sense if like I'm saying, if this continues up. Like if it comes down, it wouldn't make sense. But if this continues up, that's what I would be.
Yep. Yeah, then this would have just been a fake out. But typically when that happens, we don't get this new low established, especially with volume kicking in.
That is true. Yeah, with volume, that's the thing. I think we were predicting that it was gonna just shoot down.
Mm-hmm. Yep, we'll see. I mean, that was the trade we were looking for and it didn't play out, so if we get another one, we get another one. I don't really like any buys, to be honest. Even hourly just doesn't look very, very good.
Technically, still making lower lows, right?
Yeah, the higher time frames have not made a higher high in 2, 4, 6 hours. So I still think we're coming down. Maybe we're just getting some more orders or whatever you want to call it to have a harder push down.
Definitely playing with us, but it's making lower lows still, no?
Yep, lower lows, lower highs. Yep.
Yeah. So.
Yep. If you hate scalpers, there's a super cool trick to not have to deal with them. I'm gonna show you it right now. You see this little X up here? You go up to that, or your X on here on YouTube, and you do that, and boom, no more scalpers. Super cool trick. You might not have known about it, but now you do. So there you go.
What a trailblazer.
Some people, bro, I just don't understand. Like, how do you go about life with that kind of mindset? It's got to be so difficult.
What just happened? Did you just delete someone from the... What happened?
Oh yeah, I sent him. He didn't like scalpers, so I sent him away. So he didn't have to. So we didn't have to keep burdening him.
Yeah, you don't have to deal with scalpers no more.
Yep. Boom. Magic.
Just like Houdini.
Yep. Exactly. Yeah, looks like we're pulling back. So I think once this 30-minute closes, break of that 30-minute low, give it one more shot.
See what happens. It's crazy because it's making the right moves, or it's set up in the right way for us.
Yeah, just pulled back. I mean, my original stop wouldn't have got hit, but I minimized that one so good. Yeah, I think I risked. I think it was 1,700 total, something like that, and it barely even broke 1,000 with all three positions.
Oh, dope.
So it was really, really small losses, which was cool. Oh yeah,
guys, where you at, man?
There's us here.
I'm right here, mate.
What's happening, man?
I'm just chilling, got screwed with GJ as well. Gotta stay patient now to see if I get
pool trades full time, man.
Pardon me?
Nah, someone's asking these pool trades full time. All he does is trade in gym.
Yeah.
And play Call of Duty.
I play Call of Duty. I forgot about COD.
I'm also looking at GA at the moment.
Which way is that one going?
It's going up, so it makes sense if GJ going down.
Unless one of them's lying.
So you're hedging against us, bro.
I'm watching both pairs just to. Oh, there's big news. But
Bro, you're a bad guy, man. You never gave us the heads up, bro.
Yeah. Those
I see what you
snake.
did.
The GA looks good for going up.
What big news is there for AUD?
I don't remember seeing.
It's a low impact folder. No, I think someone in the Zoom chat said that.
Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah.
just seen it.
Westpac consumer sentiment.
Don't worry. I'll wait. And if it don't happen in new shooting time, I'll wait till after the stream. Wait for it to drop like 160 pips. I grab those like Pac-Man. And I'll see you lot tomorrow.
Very
So
nice,
you-
Jeff. Said Jeff had some nice buys on there.
Oh yeah, what, the ceiling?
Yeah, in Zoom he got 13 pips on that, so it's a nice play. Break even if it comes down. Doesn't even matter for him.
What's that? While it's been ranging, he got 13 pips, yeah?
No, his analysis is that we're going up from here, so he took buys. So played out so far. I still think we're coming down, but I mean, someone's got to be right, someone's got to be wrong. So that's trading. But his trade worked out, so that is great. I don't know about that last one.
I'll bet you $1 million it's either gonna do this and go up, or $1 million and gonna do this and go down. Would you like to take the bet?
So you're betting that price is going to go up or price is going to go down?
Yep.
Yo, I'll take the bet if I can add. Listen. If I can add sideways, I'll take the bet. Cause I know this shit's gonna be crabbing for a minute. So I'll take the crab.
Okay, we'll see if it ranges. But I think it's gonna go up or down.
Alright, cool. How long are we saying? What's the time zone in though?
Give it till the last push of volume in Asia session.
What? It's like 8 o'clock in the morning or something, bro.
Yeah, I thought that one was going to dump.
This thing's been crabbing. It's been moving sideways for a moment. And that last breakout definitely nearly had me convinced. You hear I said definitely nearly. Huh?
It for sure almost did it for you.
Fuck it, let's do this.
Nope, no, I'm sticking to the 30 minute. 30 minute and the 1 hour for if I take a second attempt, it'll be off of one of those. Yep, nailed it on the head. So yeah, if we were to break below this previous 30 and not break above, if the stop loss is good, I would give it one more shot. But if the stop loss is too big, then we'll have to wait and hopefully it'll give some sort of entry. I've been trading GJ consistently, only GJ, for probably almost a year now, I would say. I'm not sure, Evan. I don't look at levels like that, so I don't know off the top of my head if we've recently broken through any. I just mark my zones. I don't use the numbers on the right side as psychological or anything like that. It's just where price could have a reaction, and that's where price had a reaction. So, but Asian normally has volume and breaks through zones 85% of the time. If they're psychological levels, then they are. But let me see if I can find one. So let's see if 137 did anything in Asian. What was that here? Alright, let's see. So yeah, Asian right here. Just had no regard for it whatsoever. Rocketed through, pushed up. It was like it wasn't even there. See what there's anything else. I don't know how far back I gotta go to find this. Here we go. Wasn't even, kind of rose up to it. That was end of Asian though. Asian kind of bounced away from it, but that was a huge, yeah, it's a huge level there. Yeah, so I mean, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. If you look at those levels when you trade like that, I would just go check out what Asian does at those levels. Looks like it's snowing outside.
Isn't it summer? What?
Yeah, the trees are like, I don't know, maybe it's my window, but they look like there's like white on them.
Boys living in Narnia or something.
Yeah. If it goes bullish, maybe. I just don't like anything up to the left, that's all. I wonder if my buy this morning would have... Yeah, I don't think my buy this morning never would have... My stop loss was here, I believe. So yeah, that never would have even got hit. I mean, I don't know, we caught plenty of nasty sells. Was it yesterday? Was this Asian yesterday? I mean, yeah, that was a 100 pip move, maybe more. I mean, there's been lots of short-term sells. It's gonna hoe up for the whole day. If GJ is gonna hoe up, I mean, hopefully someone's collecting the money.
I just got in EJ because I think we're gonna go bullish.
Does EJ look better?
Yeah, EJ looks, I don't know, it's kind of breaking out of the top of that range.
That looks a lot better.
An hour ago.
I like that a lot better. That's a much nicer path to trade into.
Yeah, I just got in one that was, we broke the 15 right there.
Yeah, I think if we close above here, I like that. So I just don't like where we're going on GJ. It does not look nice. Some daily. Ooh, yeah. So yeah, that would be breaking above there. That would be interesting to see where we go from there. Oh, okay. Maybe a daily. Yeah. So that was kind of our higher low on the daily, or retest, whatever you want to call it, to go back up to here. So EJ going up, GJ probably makes sense too, but just don't like the traffic to the left. Yeah, this 30-minute can close above or pretty near it and then get the new high. I would like that, I think. Hourly. And 37,500 for GJ, I'm assuming. And 37, yeah, probably up to there. Yeah, just not too many obstacles for what I'm seeing. I mean, above here, I like here to here. That makes sense. Reset an alert just in case. But
I don't like a trade on any of my peers at the moment.
I would like EJ. I like how that looks, but GJ not so much.
EJ entry should have been, yeah, but at this 30-minute break.
No, I mean, we're still right at resistance.
But the structure looks like it's changing though. Like the structure's to go up.
Yeah, but once this 30-minute closes above.
Yeah, like an entry is still possible, I'm saying, but like a nice entry could have been right here.
Yeah, you could have entered there, but there's more room and better targets above that.
Wait 1 second. I'm gonna just draw a box on your screen real quick.
Where'd you learn that from?
Me?
Yeah.
I thought Mac was doing it, but I've always seen it. Why does Zoom do this? It like moves it up after you draw it.
Tell him, guys. Tell him you got it from D-Boy.
Like this, or like this is a fake out. Like it's supposed to be lower slightly, but fake out. And then entry above this, if it was a fake out or taken. Yeah.
Let's pull up EJ. Here we go. Excuse me. many pips was that? Say 12, whatever. Just say a loss. How about that? No, not buys.
I was like, yeah, when did you get bias, bro?
No. You could have bought the hourly break as well. That would have worked out above here.
But what would the stop loss be on that?
11.
That's not even bad.
No. Yeah, 2 hour looked a lot better on here than GJ. That made a lot more sense.
I don't use a 2-hour analysis, but if you flip back, would you have taken this? So this, it was just ranging. It broke above, closed above, and then wait for the 2-hour to break. I don't know how it moved within the 2-hour, but wait for the 2-hour to break. That would have been the break of the high.
Yeah, I would have probably bought once we broke above this bearish one.
Yeah, and that was the break of the hourly high.
Yep, that as well. Plus it was open, so a little bit of volume.
That would have worked out.
Yeah, it looked a little cleaner than GJ, but
Watch GJ still come down.
I'm trying to distract myself right now, but I'm trying not to pay attention to the charts. Like I want to manage my trade, but I'm trying to let my winners run a little bit longer. I've been analyzing my trades, and usually if I don't know, it's worth it to hold on to 50% of my position sometimes.
As long as you're break even.
yep.
The only way I see myself getting in the trade for EJ is I have a zone drawn up like that on the 15-minute. It came up, test this, comes back down for the retest to continue going up. So Paul, if you were to enter on this EJ trade, where would you enter once it breaks this bearish candle?
Ideally, I'd like this to close above and then just a new high.
You wouldn't be scared of buying the high? I was saying you wouldn't be scared of buying the new high, buying the high.
We'll see how it sets up.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't know. I mean, we got, what time is it? Oh, yeah, no 4 hours closing. Yeah, no, I'll probably just sit on my hands and wait, to be honest. I don't know if the last 14 minutes will fill this up here, but could. But I think wherever the hourly goes, we're going to need to come back here, kind of do a little retest, and then continue up or this area here. So I think if it does go up, it'll come back and then finish going up a little bit.
I think we might get a nice push in this last 15 minutes. I haven't back tested it, but back tested like the last 15 minutes, 4 hours. But what do you find, Paul? You find that they tend to pull back?
The 4 hours?
Yeah, like the last 15 minutes of 4 hour candles.
I mean, sometimes it just runs and finishes the move, but I always get caught when it doesn't do that, so I tend to just stay away from it completely. It seems to work out when I don't get in and not work out when I do, so just staying out of it is what I like to do. It's what I'm comfortable with. Yeah, typically 3. I think 2 hours, 40 minutes is where we typically end up around. Um, 36.2. I think that's that. Yeah, it's right around here. That'd be this whole mess over here. Yeah, weekly looks like we could still get up pretty high. Daily, you get up to there first. Yeah, that's gonna be a pretty big area there. Yeah. I'd like to see how this daily forms then.
Yo, Paul.
Yo.
I was gonna say, if you look at, I know Juju looks messy to you right now. I don't think you're gonna take a trade on it. But if you look at it real quick, right? This is one thing I hate. Like all the peers are telling me something different today, which I don't like at all. But if you look at GG real quick, and depending on how the Forex goes in like 10 minutes, it came up right to the previous high, and this 15 minute, if it closes strong, strong bearish, what do you think are the chances of this is going to continue going down then? With the 4 hour close being bearish.
Can you run that by me again? I was multitasking. So, what's up?
On the 15 minute.
Oh,
so
boy.
obviously we have like 10 minutes left until the fire closes. So if the fire closes almost like a doji right now, but if it closes, end up closing bearish, and then this came up right to the high but didn't break, and it shot right back down. Do you think there's a good chance of it to continue going down now?
Possibly. Possibly, yeah, if we can get below here, because then we still have like our initial, we'll say higher low, lower low, higher low. We have a lower low, higher low now. So if we can get through here and under here, I think we could still see that target we were aiming for.
Yeah, and then with this, like this is like dumping right now, but with this, the 4 hour close would be much stronger for bearish instead of a doji, and it's already broken like the previous 4 hour low.
Yep.
But the only thing I don't like is how EJ is telling me one thing, GJ telling me another thing, and
EJ is coming down now though.
It's coming down?
Yep.
Because I was looking at GA, and I wanted to get an entry, but the 4 hours, like we said, the 4 hours closing.
I think you're looking at way too much. I'm talking about 3 different pairs, too many time frames. I think just pick one of the pairs and just try to catch the move either way, instead of trying to catch a move on GA and EJ, and then worry about what GJ's doing. Just, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're doing too much.
They're comparing too much.
Yeah, you're gonna be just psyching yourself out.
That's what's happening right now.
Yeah, I can hear it, because you're like, well, EJ's doing this and GJ's doing this. Who cares what any of them are doing? If GJ's doing what you want to see to sell it, then sell it when it tells you, I guess. You know.
Okay, I need to take control of myself.
Yeah, this making its way back down now.
Getting wild over there.
I'm gonna just close EJ out. I don't want to look at that anymore. Close. Okay.
Is this a 2 hour then? Yep, this will be a 2 hour then. Yeah. The fact that this broke all these lows, I think we have more potential to fall down further if we close bearish than anything else. But let's see how this hourly closes, see how the next 4 hour goes, because if we don't break this low and we make higher lows in the hourly, then it makes sense to continue up. But see how long it takes. Might not even be here for it. I don't seem very enthusiastic. I'm very enthusiastic, but I'm not gonna I mean, I just thought he was looking at too much stuff, so I told him to not look at so much stuff.
What did they say?
Did I hurt? I think they thought I was being mean to you, I guess.
It's called being coached, guys. I'm gonna take everything what he says and learn from it.
Yeah, I mean, if you lose your team the game and your coach says, it's okay, buddy, you'll get it next time. Probably be less likely to get it next time, versus if he says, you should have did this, and then this could have happened. Because then, oh, maybe if I do this and what he says, we'll get a different outcome.
And the reason why I ask for your opinion is because I care for it and I want to learn from you. I'm not asking just to ask.
Yeah, and I'm not going to give you no little soft answer that's not going to hurt your feelings. I mean, I'm not going to try to hurt your feelings, but I mean...
No, trust me, I take everything you say and I want to learn from it.
Yeah.
But,
Here now. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, see you later, Aaron.
I was gonna say, Paul, can you flip to the 4 hour also? And just let me know what you think of this. Just GG. I closed DG. I'm only focusing on GG right now.
Alright, I have GJ up. What do you want to see?
A 4 hour?
Yep.
And you're gonna have to like zoom out.
A lot?
Yeah, like that's good.
Okay.
So on the 4 hour, depending on how this closes, like I would like stronger close, but it looks like it's creating like the lower high and lower low. This was like the highest high, the second low high, the third low high, and then these are like the lows. And then with this in mind and looking for sells, we can see it to continue going down to get the daily wick fill. And that'd be right at this support that's over here.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. Depends on how this 4 hour closes, though, for sure.
Like if it just comes back, it's open closes like bullish, weak bullish. That's not gonna be nice. I would rather prefer like a strong close on this. Because this bar did break the low and couldn't break the high at all. And if you're looking more into it, this was like a wick fill for the 4 hour. It did the wick fill. So there's like no reason for it to, like, obviously it can go up, I'm saying, but if you're looking for sells, like it did the wick fill, so it doesn't really have any area to continue going unless it's breaking this zone.
Yeah, I think if we get above this bearish 4 hour, I think we definitely see a lot more upside. 2 hour, still bearish in my eyes for shorter term, at least till here, or even where's the 30-minute area, or something here. I believe we can still fall to there. Maybe London will fall down to there. Asian's gonna just dance. Yeah, I don't think I'll take a second entry. With open, we've gotten to move almost every day for like 3 weeks in a row. And the fact that we haven't gone anywhere with Asian volume just makes me think if we do break below here, it's just gonna dick us around like last time and pull back in. If it breaks above, it'll pull back in, kind of thing. I think it's gonna need a London or New York type of volume to really go anywhere.
That?
Yeah, something like that. Maybe a little prettier, but something along those lines, yes.
You know what's funny? Is D-Boy still here?
I'm sure he is. Mr. Hype Man's probably here somewhere.
D-Boy, I need to talk to you real quick.
Yep. Plus, Gerza, if you look at the hourlies didn't go anywhere. So, normally the old me would have got caught in this and tried to do it again, but these hourlies literally went nowhere. So, I think I'm going to just take my loss and call it a session. I'm gonna journal it up. Journal it up real quick, and then reach key level at 139. That's why GJ moved. Take out their institution. Stop the volume to breathe. 139. That's way up top. Oh, okay. So you're saying when we pushed up on that weekly candle last week, that was last week, right? I believe that was last week. We had that monster candle. Yep. Okay. So now I gotcha. So I think my weekly outlook I sent was we should retest somewhere down here on the weekly, possibly. And then daily, yeah, about the same area on the daily, maybe even up here. Which we just did. And this got above here, so we're good there. And we'll just higher low, higher high. Get back up to here, possibly. Yeah. Yep. See you later, Ahmad. Probably gonna be calling it a night soon. Not gonna try and force nothing. Yeah, so this is that big daily area. And clearly that's why the hourly and 30 minutes are reacting the way it did. It would seem. Mini Raja. I don't think Ted is. I'm confused. C190. Did I miss a message somewhere?
What happened?
I'm not sure if someone's talking about Raja or calling me Mini Raja. I'm not sure. I might have missed something.
What's YouTube chat saying? Let me pull it up.
Oh, he's talking about Gurzat. Oh, so you're Mini Raja. Interesting.
Hoo, I'll take the compliment.
Yeah, you're gonna send his ego through the freaking world.
Yeah, let's talk to YouTube chat. I'm pulling it up real quick.
I sold EJ when I thought we were breaking out of the range. I didn't sell in the range. In 30 minute, closed underneath the support. We made a new low to that, and that works very well normally. Just didn't today. That's all. I'm gonna journal that one. Just take my loss and take the winning day. Got in here. I think I had my stop. Where did that 15 form the first time? Yeah,
it was the entry off the 30 minute.
Right
No, 30 minute? No, hourly.
Yeah, no, but remember it made a top wick first, and then it came down and came back up and broke the high.
Yeah.
Meaning we were staying in the range. Yep.
Geez, you have 522 people watching.
Share your ideas. You just got to copy, go to the camera, press, I think if you just press save, and you copy these letters right here, send those letters and we can pull up your chart and go over your idea. Yeah, so this was taken on a 30 minute, and I think stop was, yeah, it was about there. It was close enough. We had support here, but it was lower. Maybe, did we break that wick there? Yeah, we did.
We broke everything.
Yeah. Yeah, oh well.
We should have shut down, but nope. What is the chat saying?
You gotta look at it, bro.
I am. What up, chat? Let's see what you guys talking about.
Yeah, Gurzat was he he blessed up while I went and had to go eat a meal yesterday, because I gotta get all my meals in every day, and 3 hours without food makes it very tough to do that.
It's okay, Paul. We understand. You're a fat boy.
Something like that. Very strong.
They're talking about. I'm not talking about fishing. This guy's jokes. Since Iron Man's in the chat, let's have some fun since we're not trading anymore. What is everybody's favorite superhero? Let's get off topic. Robert, Asian moves. We've been having such nice Asian moves recently. I'm not sure what you were talking about.
Yeah, moves are they just weren't there today, that's all. Yeah, I mean, literally, at last Asian session, we'll start, not even from the top, we'll start like here. That was 70. Last Asian last night moved 100 pips, so, and that was more than what did New York do this morning? Yeah, okay, about the same.
Yeah, we've been having nice moves in Asian.
Yeah, lately it's been the past couple weeks has been real nice.
Geez, we have the legend Uncle Ted in the chat.
Yep, yeah, he popped in earlier.
Batman, Aaron, that's it, Batman. This guy's jokes. Wonder Woman, just cause she's hot. Indeed, she is. Let's see if you guys know Arrow. Green Arrow's better than Batman. They're both rich. Both technically don't have superpowers, but Green Arrow's better than Batman.
Popeye, jeez.
Someone called you Popeye?
No, that was what somebody picked.
Oh. I was like, your arms are too small, Paul.
Wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We'll be back to normal.
Right. Yeah, Killer Goon, the Daily Candle did nothing. I agree with you there. Uncle Ted's dropping knowledge and gold if you guys want to look at the chat real quick.
Yep. Yeah, it was very nice of him to stop in. Then we got entry at new low, as always. And that will be it. Not going to even try a second trade.
Yeah, me too. I closed mine.
Yeah.
Uncle Ted, are you still trading, what was it, US 30? Or, nope.
You closed below support, Kerwin. Come on now. Closed below and continued to make lower lows and lower highs, so I'm standing by that my trade made perfect sense until it didn't.
On and off. Got it. US 30 on 5-minute charts? Doesn't US 30 like move a lot? I've never looked at it, but I've just heard that it moves wild like gold. Isn't 5-minute charts hard to trade?
Not when you know how to trade it.
That is true. He has 6 more years of experience, almost 7, 8 years. He has way more experience than me. One day I will be at his level. And G, we're not looking at trades anymore. We're calling it a day. He's just journaling his trade, and I think he's gonna hop off soon.
Yep. A little family time after this.
How do you stay so disciplined, Uncle Ted? Someone's asking. If I'm the same way. Uncle Ted, the man, the myth, the legend.
Alright, though, stream. Nothing really going on. Gonna call it a night a little early, 15 minutes early, and go spend that time doing something better than watching this do nothing.
Peace out, chat.
Yeah, it was 137 was support. Yeah, we closed right on it, but I didn't. My support was right here, so.
Well, good night, lads.
Peace.
Yep. Exactly. Yep. Thanks for stopping in, Ted, and everyone else. Thanks for coming. We'll be back. Be back.